All right, guys, welcome back. It's still Sprint Zero. We're still in that week where we're getting prepped up for our 12-week challenge, but this is day 2. So now today, I want you to identify why those goals that you picked are important to you. It's very crucial. I just don't want you to pick goals for the sake of picking goals. Why did you pick those, set of goals? And if it's just one goal you picked, why did you pick that goal? Why is that goal dear to you? What is the benefit of you having that goal? It's very important that you have a strong desire, because if you don't have a strong desire, guess what? 12 weeks is going to come and you're not going to do anything about it because you never had a strong desire towards that goal in the first place. So I want you to really sit down and audit. Why did I pick this goal? Why is it important for me to achieve this goal? So for myself, one of the goals that I picked is fitness. I want to lose certain pounds, right? Why is it important for me to lose pounds? It's important for me to lose pounds because as I get older, it's very important for me to be healthy. And, health has been something that I've been playing with over the years. And I think, this is the perfect opportunity for me to be very intentional about my health. It's very important that I stay healthy. And so I want to double down on working out. I want to double down on eating right. I want to double down on exercising because the benefits are amazing. You're able to live longer. You're able to live healthier. You're able to just, enjoy more. And every time I see my previous pictures, like 5 years ago, I'm always like, oh my God, I miss those days. So I really want to be intentional and get back to, the way I used to look. And so it's very dear to me. And that's one of the reasons why I chose this goal. So in that same light, I want you to think through the goals that you chose and why you chose those goals. It's very important. So spend today figuring out why you picked the goals that you picked. And I'll see you in the next video.